Number 6. Meet up with. I haven't seen you in ages. What's new? Long time no see. What's going on? I'm planning to meet up with some friends for dinner. Want to join? I'd love to. It's been too long.
Hey everyone, it's me, John. Yep, same guy. If you want to improve your phrasal verb vocabulary or study with me privately, the links are in the description.
I'm planning to meet up with some friends. To arrange to meet someone, especially socially. We should meet up for coffee sometime. They meet up at the park every Saturday. I can't wait to meet up with my old school friends.